Hi boys and girls, Miss Lehmann here. Today for math we're going to do something called relating addition and subtraction of tens. And I just want you to remember that it's just like relating addition and subtraction of any number. So I'd like to show you what I mean by that. So if I had 3 plus 2 equals 5, and 5 take away 2 equals 3, like I have here, those would be related. And we can think of that as a fact family. So I'm going to turn these three numbers into a fact family really quickly, and I'll show you how they relate. And then I'm going to do it with some numbers with tens for you. So a fact family would be 3 plus 2 equals 5, 2 plus 3 equals 5, 5 minus 2 equals 3, and 5 minus 3 equals 2. That, boys and girls, would be our fact family. We're using the same three numbers throughout both the addition problems and both the subtraction problems. So we related the addition and subtraction. We've talked about how addition and subtraction are opposite of each other and that they can undo each other and that they're related. So today's lesson, we're going to relate addition and subtraction of numbers that are in tens. And remember, when they're in tens, that just means that they're numbers that we hear when we count by tens, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So we're just going to relate ones that have that pattern of tens. So the first problem we're going to look at is 10 plus what number equals 40? How would I figure that out? What do you think I would need to do? Yeah, I could count by 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40. So 3 tens, 10, 20, 30. So 10 plus 30 equals 40. And let me show you a little trick. One plus 3 equals 4. 0 plus 0 equals 0. So we take our value in the tens place. But now we have a subtraction problem. If these two relate, which they do, how do they relate? 40 subtract 10. What do you think would be the right answer? We can certainly count backwards by tens. So 40 and 110 would be 40, 30. Yes, so 30 would be there. My dog he loves to greet people. All right, so how can I make that into a fact family? I can do 2 addition problems and 2 subtraction problems. So I'm going to take this 10 plus 30 equals 40 as my first addition problem. 10 plus 30 equals 40. And then, boys and girls, I'm just going to flip these around to make my second addition problem. 30 plus 10 equals 40. And then when I do subtraction, I start with 40, the biggest number. 40 take away 10 equals, and right here, 40 take away 10 equals 30. And then I start with 40 again. Take away 30 equals, let's see, we've used a 10, a 30, and a 40. A 10, a 30, and a 40. A 10, a 30, and a 40. Yeah, it would be 10 because we're going to use all the same numbers. So we can relate addition and subtraction of tens just like we relate addition and subtraction of any numbers. So it's the same type of thing. So you're just working with the same concept that you've been working with when we started subtracting tens and practicing counting backwards by tens. But I want to point out that you can make it into a fact family just like we've done all along with regular addition and subtraction. I know you're going to do great, but if you have any questions or need additional help, just contact me and we can either set up a Zoom or I can help you by FaceTime or some other way. All right, have a great day.